Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to get profile public key in Minecraft step by step. Open the launcher, sign in, then open the game folder and navigate to the profiles directory to find your account file. Use a plain text editor to inspect the file for your public key field, or call the Mojang API with your UUID to retrieve it safely. Always keep backups and avoid sharing sensitive keys publicly. Start by identifying your UUID because the public key is tied to that identifier. Use the in-game profile or a trusted lookup tool to copy your UUID, then open the Profiles folder and find the file named with that UUID. Open the file with a text editor and search for the public key field, which is typically in a clear string format. Save a backup of the original file before making changes or exporting the key. After locating the profile file, open it in a text editor and look for the public key line, usually labeled clearly. Copy the entire key string without altering characters, then paste it into a secure file or clipboard manager. For developers, calling the Mojang API with your UUID returns profile data, including the public key, which you can parse programmatically. Keep the key private and share only with trusted services that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.